Hello everyone, we are going to learn Social Study of Standard 4th and the first chapter is India, our country. Let's learn about India. Located in the southern part of the continent of Asia, India stretches for 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. It is the seventh largest country in the world. India shares its border with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the island neighbors across the high seas. India is the beautiful country with varied physical features. It has beautiful hills and mountains, plains and plateaus, forests, a long coastline and islands, and a vast desert covered with sand dunes. Rivers that flow through the country make the plains fertile. The southern part of India is the peninsula. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal along the east coast, the Arabian Sea along the west coast, and the Indian Ocean in the southern. The Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Indira Point is in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the southernmost tip of. Let's learn about the physical divisions. India can be divided into the following physical divisions. First, the northern mountains. Second, the northern plains. Third, the western desert. Fourth, the southern plateaus. Fifth, the coastal plains and the islands. Now let's learn about political divisions. As we know, India is the largest country. For better running of the country, India was divided into smaller areas called states and union territories. India is described as a union of 29 states and 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Union territories are under the direct control of the central government. The states have their own government. The capital of a state is the seat of the government and hence it is very important. The capital of India is the New Delhi. The offices of the government of India are based in New Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi has a chief minister to look after its affairs. Look at different states and its capitals. First, Andhra Pradesh. The capital is Amravati, the declared capital. Hyderabad to function as the capital city for the maximum period of 10 years starting 2014. Arunachal Pradesh. The capital is Itnagar. Assam. The capital is Dispur. Bihar. The capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh. The capital is Raipur. Next, Goa. The capital is Panji. Next, Gujarat. The capital is Gandhinagar. Next, Haryana. The capital is Chandigarh. Next, Himachal Pradesh. The capital is Simla. Next, Jammu and Kashmir. The capital is Jammu. Winter capital Srinagar. Summer capital. Next, Jharkhand. The capital is Ranchi. Next, Karnataka. The capital is Bengaluru. Next, Kerala. The capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Next, Madhya Pradesh. The capital is Bhopal. Next, Maharashtra. The capital is Mumbai. Next, Manipur. The capital is Impal. Next, Meghalaya. The capital is Shillong. Next, Mizoram. The capital is Aizawl. Next, Nagaland. The capital is Kohima. Next, Odisha. The capital is Bhubaneswar. Next, Punjab. The capital is Chandigarh. Next, Rajasthan. The capital is Jaipur. Next, Sikkim. The capital is Gangtok. Next, Tamil Nadu. Capital is Chennai. Telangana. The capital is Hyderabad. Next, Tripura. The capital is Agartala. Next, Uttarakhand. The capital is Dehradun. Next, Uttar Pradesh. The capital is Lucknow. Next, West Bengal. The capital is Kolkata. Look at the different union territories and their capitals. First, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital is Port Blair. Next, Chandigarh. The capital is Chandigarh. Next, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The capital is Silvassa. Next, Daman and Diu. The capital is Daman. Next, Delhi. The capital is New Delhi. Next, Lakshadweep. The capital is Kavaratri. Next, Pondicherry. The capital is Pondicherry. Now, look at the political map of India. In terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in India. The 7 northeastern states of India, popularly called the Seven Sisters, are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. India is a huge country and has the second largest population in the world. There are more than a billion people live in India. People of different castes and religions live together. They speak different languages and wear different clothes, but are bound together by love for their own motherland.